Nous avons Nito Brea, le directeur du Monte Carlo Paddle Master. Bonjour Nito.
Bonjour.
Bilan de la semaine.
Thank you for coming. First of all, Frank, always you are supporting us and supporting the paddle. So I had to say thank you. And was a great week. I think that it was a great week with the woman. The first time that the professional, the best women are here in Monaco, in Monte Carlo. Now they are playing the final. So the goal and the challenge in this opportunity was very, very high, and I think that it was a great week. The players are all happy. All the players that left Monaco are happy with the tournament. So I think that we are very happy.
Bon, c'était évidemment une très très bonne semaine avec notamment les femmes, les dames qui ont joué pour cette première année, notamment donc c'était à Beau Soleil, le nouveau club avec ses deux terrains de paddle, deux terrains de paddle magnifiques. Il y a eu également donc les qualifications pour les dames comme pour les messieurs.
I think that we need to we just opened the new tennis paddle Soleil with the new 2 courts. Now on Monday we are going to cover these 2 courts, so we will have the one of the first cover clubs in this zone. So it will be fantastic for all the people because they can play all the year. And I think that we need to start thinking about the Monte Carlo Padel Master for the next year. And so I think that I had too many things now that for me I don't. It's not because I don't want to give you an exclusivity because I don't know really.
Step by step.
Knowing Fabrice, he always wants more and more, and that is the difficult and the good things to work with him because he always want to improve all the things about paddle and wants paddle to be a sport that plays in every part of the world.
Bon, pour l'année prochaine, d'abord, on va finir cette semaine pour qu'elle se finisse très très bien. Il y a évidemment Beau Soleil avec ses 2 nouveaux terrains de paddle, puisque dès lundi, ils vont essayer de mettre en place 2 couvertures pour permettre à ce club d'être d'avoir 2 terrains de paddle en semi et indoor. Pour poursuivre sur la compétition, Tengo, I have one question. I met few persons here and on the blogs, and they asked me why girls didn't play the quarter final here in the Chapiteau with the camera in live and everything.
Well, it was something that in Spain there are 2 of the 4 quarterfinals had been playing in the main court. But now at first in the first programmation of this tournament we decide to put this and then maybe it's difficult to change for the people for the guests and this kind of thing. So I think that the program in this tournament maybe is more important, and I think that not only here, if we made a World Padel Tour in Sweden or another country, I think that the program is something very important to develop the sport, the tournament, and maybe with people like that today with Didier Deschamps, like Thomas Johansson. So I think that I know that the players knows this and can understand that is very important, the competition, because I used to be a player and I am all the sportive things. I think that is the most important thing are the sportive things, but at this time I think that we need to put focus in too many things that are important.
Of course, I understand. Alors juste pour résumer, oui évidemment, lui-même est un joueur de paddle, et donc il aurait bien voulu que les femmes se déroulent au Chapiteau, sur le court central. Bon, malheureusement, ce sont des quarts de finale, il y a de nombreuses parties à faire. Les pro-am, ce sont des gens très connus qui viennent ici, qui permettent de développer le tournoi et le paddle, comme Didier Deschamps par exemple qui était présent, qui était parmi nous, ou Thomas Johansson. They come today, this morning, The quarter final, it was Friday. It was Friday.
But at the last minute, we maybe sometimes we don't know exactly who is coming, and maybe sometimes we are expected to receive someone, and maybe if they couldn't come or not, but there are little details of the organizations, and sometimes you need to, I think that it's important to have two quarterfinals of women, but sometimes it depends of the view, because sometimes the players that are not playing the two quarterfinals here maybe feel like they have another. No, it's not the same to play the semifinals in a court that is my first match, and for the others are the second match. So the sportive things maybe
equal for everyone.
Yes, but I think that is a good. The World Padel Tour start to do these things because it was impossible to put the 4 quarterfinals because of the time, and it's a way to put at least 2 matches, but it's not equal to.
Okay, I understand.
But you have too many views of this, and I think, but in this international tournament, I think that the program maybe is we need to make this kind of thing attractive for the whole public and not only for the sportive, no?
Is it possible to change it?
I hope. I really. Next year, I think that we will have the 2 courts covered because this year we didn't have enough time to cover, and that is another tournament because we put all the time in the morning, early in the morning, because of the weather, because of the hot of the weather. So there are too many things that maybe we can change. If we know that we have the courts covered, and maybe if we can put the program in another time and confirming too many people playing, I think that now it's difficult for me to think about the next year. But we just I want to finish this one.
Yes.
No, but we always try to make a good thing for the player and for the sports. This is our goal, and I know all the needs of the players because I was a player in the past and I am a coach, so I know all these things are important.
I would like to speak about your future, your own future, because you will manage Beausoleil with Gabi Reka and Christian Collange. So what is the future in your club? Are you going to live in France?
No, I think that it will be very difficult for me. It's a very difficult. I really don't know because my daughter plays, and I'm thinking to go to Madrid because now if you want to play, all the best players on the tour is in Spain, but maybe I will be coming here often like Gabi Reka. And so, but it will be, by now it's difficult for me to live here.
Okay, but in the future you will try to go here, to go in Beausoleil often,
yes.
And maybe to coach a few new French players.
Yes, I would like to do it. I like, one of the things, you know me, that one of the things that I like is to train players and to train teachers. So I train trainers.
Yes.
That's one of the things that I really like, and my passion is more. So I know exactly all the needs of the coaches and of the players. So I'm in this position that I have here as the director of the tournament. I always try to help them to cover, to be in all the details that they really need.
Bon, rester en France pour le moment, ce n'est pas prévu. Il va suivre sa fille, qui est une joueuse professionnelle de paddle, à Madrid, ce qui n'empêchera pas de faire des allers-retours entre Beausoleil et Madrid. What do you think about the development of the paddle in France and about the players, the level in France?
I think that the level is becoming better and better each year, and I think that France has too many good tennis player, it has a very great culture of racket sport, no? So I think that it depends of the development of paddle, and I think that is France. I think that for sure that in 4 or 5 years we'll have great players. we have great players, and it depends on the tournament and the course. And I think that will be one of the great countries of paddle, France.
So,
I'm sure.
Dans 4-5 ans, il pense que le paddle français va évoluer et certainement atteindre un très bon niveau. But do you think in 4-5 years we could see a few players, French players?
In the World Padel Tour?
Yes.
I hope so. I think that paddle needs really to have more players, French players, and Sweden player from Sweden, for all the countries, and from Italy that is growing up a lot. And I'm sure that France will be a great country of paddle. We have a powerful team. So.
Bon, le niveau français est là. Ce sont des passionnés de raquettes, ce sont des très bons joueurs de tennis. Donc ils ont tout pour devenir des très bons joueurs de paddle également. Je rappelle que Nito Brea a également écrit un livre de paddle. Qui est accessible d'ailleurs via Paddle Magazine avec un résumé sur le livre, et évidemment vous pouvez à cette occasion commander et prendre ce livre qui parle de ton histoire, qui parle de la tactique, qui parle de plein de choses, qui n'est pas très technique mais qui parle également de ta propre expérience. We talk about your books. It's not only a technique books, tactic, it's your own story.
Yes, it's a part of my experience as a player, and more important as a coach, and as not only a coach of professional players, of a teacher of people of all the levels, beginners and professionals. So, but I try to put in the book all the things concerning the tactics, how to play, all the things. But the only thing that I'm not talking about, how you have to hit the ball. It's not the technique book. It's only how to play with the skills that you really have, and how to compete, and how to work with your partner. Because I try to put in the book all the things concerning in the tactic, communication, and all these things. But not in the how you have to hit the ball or the technique. Because I think it is very difficult to learn how to hit the ball, the shots, reading. But if you understand the tactic, how to play, if you want to move forward to the net or not, how to play with your partner, and all these kind of decisions that you have, the paddle is very rich in this kind of tactics decision of how to play with your partner, about the positioning or all these kind of things. So it's very attractive in these things. It's like after you play the match, maybe you have too many situations that you say, I need to read the book again to put focus on this, because I know that I didn't do well done.
C'est un livre qui dépasse un peu la technique, c'est surtout un livre tactique, un livre qui permettra aux joueurs de savoir comment communiquer avec son partenaire, comment penser, quelle est la bonne stratégie à adopter, puisque c'est un sport de communication, donc il faut penser à deux. Nito, merci beaucoup, muchas gracias, y vamos a ver la finale.
Thank you. We have a great program to watch, and another time. Thank you very much to come again, and you are welcome for the next year. So I hope we will
be there. Merci Nito.